Saniboni, Commander Morning. We are here in a program at Ward 30, Wardville, 30 and 31. It's a program. It's a POA of the regional POA. While we are here, we are also the provincial convener of Umkhonto weSizwe Women's League is also part of us, because the main thing is that she also sleeps or resides.
Phakama Mbokodo, Phakama. Forward with MK Party, forward.
Forward
with Women's League, forward.
Forward
with Youth League, forward.
Forward
with the student movement, forward. Phakama Mbokodo, Phakama. Amandla
awethu
siyabulisa.
Sithathe swele sulakhelele ebangazi ebelukhumana ulele ebelukhumana kinamanga komanda kitch dala ngibatshe umkhonto usekho umkhonto usaphila
phakathi wasekuruleni nani bahlali lonke kanye namakhomanda. Namhlanje njengoba zi-28 ku-April sila eWhiteville singamasosha omkhonto weSizwe. Nikhuluma nozakwe, uzakwe we-PCC, usekretary we-PCC ekuruleni. Sithi njengoba sila izolo siyezwa kuthiwa bekuyi-Freedom Day. Izolo kuthiwa bekuyi-Freedom Day. Kodwa-ke thina siyi-PCC, sithi cha, not yet uhuru. Sithi njengoba sila sikakayiboni inkululeko sikakayiboni eSouth Africa. Sithi kwenzeka izinto ezirongo emphakathini, ayikho i-service delivery, kusho ukuthi inkululeko akabikho. Njengoba sila sithi not yet uhuru eSouth Africa. Umkhonto weSizwe siyi-PCC asinamsebenzi, abantu abasebenzi, Commander Morning, abantu abasebenzi abantu konke kuyamoshakala. I-service delivery ayikho, ebhejela kuyabheda, even the crime is too much. Sithi there's no uhuru, ayikho inkululeko uma ngabe sisaphila kanje ezweni lethu. Abantu mabayunathe bahlangane, sithi viva PCC, viva amandla.
Mkondo kwasa chikijela mkondo chikijela
Nabafundisi ethendeni ku-stress tent uyaqala ukuhlaba. Strategy. Sicela kunganibizi ngamagama macabani sithe sonke masivumelana sizocelebrate la iPOA la lapha emotweni macabani. No sicela ukuthi singanibizi macabani siyacela nje. Too much democracy motion the country today. Sicela nisondele macabani sicela kunganibizi ngamagama. Lapha emotweni macabani kwenzakalani? Sicela abanye bangene ke abadlayo bangadla mara macabani abanye basuke lapha asibona wonke umuntu olapha kahle macabani sicela nisondeleni siyacela. Macabani i-national anthem yethu amshona yazi ne thina sizwe ama angithi sikhale lizwe lethu ubani ongasilindela
thina sizwe
khumulela igcoka kubaba
esimnyama sikhalela elathathwa abamhlophe thina sizwe esimnyama sikhalela izwe lethu elathathwa abamhlophe Africa, akhalela
Cela angithi maqani siyakhula sumkhonto siyafundisana. Ngizocela siqale la ithi khona abantwana beAfrika abakhala ilizwe labo. Ilathathwa abamhlophe. Akumelanga sishiye lo phathi, akumelanga nje phela. Ngicela ubuye comrade azoyiqala aende kahle. Isikhathi masiya sizoyiperfecta macabane. Ene nengoma le macabane mani icula. Icabangeni umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo eUSA umuntu omnyama ohluphekayo
Baba uyeke
ngicela simshayeleni izandla macabane. Hayi simshayeleni izandla. Ngizocela abaholi bendabuko ukuthi basibizele abadala ukuthi babe nathi umcimbi wethu ukuhamba kahle. Umfundisi asiprepare.
Ngihamba ngingedwa nginabogogo emva kwami. So yenza into ngokuhlukile. Nikhumbule ukuthi uma silana asikho emsamo wakagogo Malwandle. We are here for the nation. We are here for isapu yethu. Konke siyokwenza siyenza kwala isapini. So now besihlekile etendeni sithi siyophahla khona. But ke ngisho izinto azenzeki yomuntu. Now we are directed ukuza la esihlahleni umfundisi angafuni ngaso. So ngiyocela ogogo nabomkhulu basurroundele isihlahla. Ilanga lile ngoba isikhathi sethu sokuphahla sisekuseni nantambama. Ogogo bayosurrounda lesihlahla sizicelele kulesihlahla. And uma siphahla ke ogogo nabomkhulu because lento esiyenzayo asiyenzi for media, siyenza because nyane siphahlela ubutho lethu siphahlela our leadership. Siphahlela nokuthi masiphuma la masiyongqongqoza house to house basizwe ogogo nabomkhulu. Sikwazi ukuba wina emimoyeni yabo. Kuthi wonke umuntu oyongena la abe naleso spirit ukuthi mangiyongena wena bashoda ngempuphu noma bashoda ngani mawuphuma wena mkhonto wesizwe babe nehope. That's why we are here. So we are not here ukuthi nisinike imaki nisize ukuthi sithi thokoza no. So imaki siyokunika ke program director thina siyenze wethu umsebenzi. Siyabonga kakhulu ngiyocela before bese siyayibamba ke.
Ufuna ukuzwa ukuthi baphahla bathini shabalala awuvume nawe voma
Sengibiza umfundisi wami ngembongo. Ngimkhomba ukuthi nami ngiyasonda. Awuvuma hayibo vuma awuthatha lento ayinabungozi hayibo
ngizama nonkosikazi wami-ke wasithola naye lesibongo. So ukuthi ngamagama siyi-2 abafundisi la emfundisi. Amen. Kumanje sisebenza njena-ke before ngizobiza umfundisi. Uzocela ukuthi ama-forms wethu nasingena ezindlini. Nangabe uthola kunogogo kulelo khaya lelo or kunomkhulu. Siyacela ubhale lapha eceleni interface. And then nawubhala interface sesenzele ukuthi motherboard ikwazi ukubona ukuthi bangakhi be-interface esibatholile while sihamba around. Siyacela kakhulu komanda. Then enye ezolandela njengoba sinje singabafundisi 7. So kunama-VDI 5 la e-White. So njengoba i-5 ama-VD each and I7. Okay, do I say that? Again? Okay. So you are I7, I have balance again. 7 abafundisi group. So siyacela kakhulu ukuthi senze kanjalo and enye landelayo nangabe ufika kulelo khaya wathola kunomuntu disable. Siyacela naye umbhale futhi eceleni ephomini. And at the same time nabe lo muntu loyo odinga i-wheelchair ubhale lapha phezulu ukuthi udinga i-wheelchair. And then i-motherboard izokwazi ukuthi sizosebenza kanjani ukuthi sithole leyo wheelchair leyo.
Siyinto eyodwa inter-religious movement. Sibingelele bonke abaphathi abakhona phakathi kwendawo ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi. Umkhonto manje yangena emakhaya uyogwaza but before singena sikhwaza kumele ukuthi sithole izwi likaNkulunkulu elifushane for 3 minutes lapha encwadini yezaga Proverbs chapter 8 chapter 31 verse 8 ifuna kanje, it speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Isho njalo na ku verse 8, speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Mkhonto wesizwe kunabantu la ngaphandle abangakwazi ukuyikhulumela abacindezelwe uhulumeni okhona okanye abacindezelwe abamhlophe. Thina esumkhonto wesizwe sizokhuluma, sizoba i-voice kulabo abangena voice, sizomela abacindezelwe. Sikhona South Africa, sikhona emhlabeni wonke, singabafundisi sithi angeke silale, angeke siphumule, singabalaphi bendabuko, angeke sihlale emasontweni, kodwa sizoma sithi mayibuye izwe lethu, mayibuye i-Afrika, mayibuye i-Afrika. Verse 8 uthi speak up for those who cannot speak for themselves. Bakhona abantu abangena voice, abafanele emakhaya abangena mali, amadoda sewabona nemikhaba ahlaba yona le mali yekontiri, ahlaba yona le mali yama-feeding scheme, badla yona le mali ekubathi basizakale abantu abahluphekile. Bathi namhlanje simile esumkhonto wesizwe sizoba i-voice yabo, singena emakhaya sithi sipheleni sizonikhulula. Amandla! 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 Verse 9 uthi speak up and judge fairly, uthi defend the rights of the poor and the needy. Hallelujah! Kunabantu abanama-rights abangathi ukuthi banama-rights. Sifuna ukuthi thina esumkhonto wesizwe sibe esikhaleni eSouth Africa noncamalala, sizokhulumela abantu abangekwazi ukukhuluma. Sithi phansi ngo-0.5% phansi, phansi nge-0.5% phansi. Siyabonga kakhulu ke benqabani, sizothandaza manje singene emusini.
We abide ngesandla sakho, we abide ngomoya wakho. Kuwe-ke mesongcwele uvula indlela, vula-ke mesongcwele sivulele sikumkhonto wesizwe, sibusise-ke mesongcwele sibophe ke lo bhandle i-1 le unit. UkuThixo konamandla, asithembe omnye uThixo ngaphandle kwakho awujiyeli ilizwi lakho.
Namhlanje sikule ndawo la eWhiteville
siphakamisa wena ke nkulunkulu namandla, siphakamisa wena ke moya engcwele, sibusise ke ubusisa abantwana bakho, busise yonke leadership, sonke sihlanganyele ngaleyo communion yakho,
ngaleyo vision yakho, ngalowo bunye
bakho. Igama lakho linamandla ke meso engcwele. Thatha nabo abantwana bakho ke meso engcwele ubenze bebe nobulali engena kulezo zindlu kule program yanamhlanje ye door to door ye uhuru. Busisa ke meso engcwele abantwana abalondoloze le program, abaqale le program, your leadership
meso engcwele. Nikeze ke meso
ngcwele obulali bakho, inikeze leyo wisdom, banikeze ke meso ngcwele ukuthi babe neskill sokuleader, babe yimatch kuko konke okwenzakala kulo mkhonto wesizwe. Sicela ke meso ngcwele iunity, siphakamisa iunity nkulunkulu namandla. Siyawubona umkhonto wesizwe uyazala every day, mari iunity siphakamisa yona la phakathi endlini. Thixo namandla ke phakama ke meso ngcwele. Yiba nathi ke lo wasifelayo Yesu Kristu waseNazaretha. Wonke umuntu uthi amen.
We are going back to Africa. Ngithi sithi silweli ilizwe lethu. So gora re tshwantse re be proud ka go ba ma-Africa. So ntho ya gore re tlo le address ra tshwarere you know e tlo fela. Eva ga o le motsonga when coming forward be proud le la Setsonga sa teng. Ga o le Movenda when coming forward be proud ka go amba Tshivenda sa gae. Re tlogele re senya go embrace us. But on the other side re ba oppress. Gora we are also upgrading there. So ke tlo bolela ka segagesho ke le modiri wa ga Mthapa ke nna motila ngwana ra mmala ngwanyana le tšhaka le tele ko tong ke nna setlogolo sa makanya a bodisego ngwana bo motila le bodisego. So ke tlo le amogela comrades today, very happy go bona gore at least di-sub-region tša rena ka moka di tlile go tlo ba le rena re tlo dira mošomo wa region ya rena. Re ready go godiša region ya rena e leng Ekurhuleni. So di-sub-region ka moka which is in north, re na le east, re na le far east, re na le central, we've got ke eng ke lebetseng south. So ntho re tlo e dirang mo today is only one, umuntu emntwini motho mothong. A ke re ntho re e tlhokang ke gore batho ba kwešiše gore re le MC party re eng. Umkhonto wesizwe gore o be o feleletse go formilwe lebaka e be e le eng. So ke tlo le amogela program ya rena e tlo thoma ge program director wa rena a fetša gore addressa, a fetša le go amogela mohlomong baetapele ba rena ba ba re etetšeng, and then re tlo tswa ra ilo dira door to door ra meeta batho ba e leng gore re tlo ba hloka ge ntše nako e ya gore at least ba tlo votela the party e re reng re e rata re. A ke re ntho go e rata o e šara le batho ba bangwe, o ka se rate ntho wa se kgone go e šara le batho ba bangwe. You only give away or o latlha ntho o sa e rateng, mara e o e ratang o iša gore le batho ba bangwe ba e rata. So ka gore yalo ke a le amogela, you are all welcome. Whoever a se gore re mohlomong go e tswa south a wa tshwanela go ba part of this, a se gore go e tswa north a wa tshwanela go ba leloko la se. So se ka gore e mongwe le o mongwe wa leng mo mamohla ke motho wa ko far east. So ka moka re tlo šomišana mmogo ra tshwarišana wa go east, I'm sorry, and then ra šomišana mmogo go fihla ebile mošomo wa rona wa lekgono go fela. Re phetha re boya mo phakeng mo re leng gona re tlo re phapa mo, then re tla re program ge ntše sepela jwale moswara marapo wa rona o tla re botsa re tla re ge re boya ka ntle go ba le batho ba borena wa diragala. All power! All power! Viva Jacob Gadlehlekisa Mhlanganyelwa Zuma, viva! Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva! Viva Women's League, viva! Viva Youth League, viva! Viva Student Movement, viva! Viva Maholi Bendabugo, viva! Viva Manapi Bendabugo, viva! Viva Mafundisi bethu, viva! Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva! Unity emkhontweni, unity! Unity emkhontweni, unity! Mawuvi
comrade mina nami ngizoti viva MK Military Veterans League, viva! Viva MK Military Veterans League, viva! Mina kahle kahle vele ngikade umzila wamampela la ngathi yamoshakala ngiyajumpa ngena yini. Yabo.
Viva! Mandla! Mandla! All power! All power! My comrades, izwe limit. Nina masonto omkhonto ibani aba-midwives hambani niyozalisa abantu ngaphandle ngobuningi babo. Viva mkhonto, viva!
Ngishile ngimzwe kahle mina. Commander Kiloman besicela usondele kancane. Makalo wasondela Macabane shine ingoma Macabane ingoma. Amanda, long live Mkhonto Wesizwe Party, long live.
Awethu, viva Mkhonto Wesizwe, viva. Atanxamalala phatha, akama Mkhonto phakama. Comrades, thank you. Leadership ngiyanibulisa and nathi Macabane. Comrades, thina umsebenzi wethu usimple kakhulu. Sizo outline nje i-process ukuthi sihamba kanjani. Ngokuthi u-deputy convener uthe sizama ukuthi sibuye nganeno singathethi abo emfuna ukutsho ke Macabane ukuthi part of military and peace and stability sikhona. I-military comrades are here. Bazosuka, I'm outlining comrades. Sizosuka lapha ku stop sign, going up. Masihamba comrades. I-platoon izohamba phambili. Then as members zomkhonto sizolandela ngemva. After that, somewhere around endleleni izoma i-platoon, and then from there sithathe from lapho up until such time, but would always interact. Masiphinda sihamba i-platoon izothatha over iqhubeke mhlambe up until to the end la siya khona. So but also comrades, kunamaphoyisa la okukuthi amaphoyisa omkhonto nizohamba phakathi wona azohamba emaceleni. Nibabonile mosibagcoke i-black and white or black. Bazohamba nani but nina nizobe niphakathi so that bayi-even guard yenu. Angithi siya-understandana Macabane. Ba-protecta umkhonto so bazonifaka phakathi. But ani overtake i-platoon nabemva we-platoon bona bazohambe phakathi kwenu emaceleni kwenu banifake phakathi. Then ke sizosoloku sikhuluma ke comrades ukuthi
Phakama Mkhonto, phakama. Khula Mkhonto, khula. Khona Macabane.
Tap the mic. Tap the mic ngaphansi.
ATM. Asilahlekile sisekhaya. Ingako uzwa ngithi phakama Mkhonto, phakama. Kwaza Mkhonto, kwaza. Khula ATM, khula. Ngiyabonga Macabane.
Yeah, yabo if uzopika must acknowledge asingenza njenga comrade uya ku ATM ngajabula kabi. So Macabane ngicela uku-acknowledge i-progressive civic movement, i-PCC ne. Ngi-acknowledge umkhonto wesizwe party creative industry. I-leadership yakhona la kuze kukhona even ababuya ku-national. Ngicela sibashaleni izandla Macabane. Manje Macabane angeke sisathatha ama-acknowledgement wethu angeke asaza indathu. Sizothi masibuya sithole nje ama-brief address yalama-organization lawo. Ngizocela uComrade Uthulu asondele sesitholile i-order from the
comrades know me from the Youth League. I was coordinator at Greater Johannesburg.
namhlanje kodwa ke sengikhiphile lelo cap lelo sengimdala ngikhulile so bathi ngiyouth endala kodwa today no ngiphuma kwi-creatives angihambi ngedwa ngithe angilethele just i-guest celebrity yethu we feel like Uhuru is important door to door kuhambela abantu ebalulekile to have ama-actors from South Africa bebanathi let's say so Pethu Slash Nyamazela from Bukombora.
Sanibonani kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Abafethu ngitshele nje iqiniso mina ngithanda iqiniso ngoba nesikhathi esincane. Sengikhathele ukubulala abantu. Sengilungisa izwe manje. Danke mkhonto.
And then in Pete ngicela introduce I always forget his storylines.
Kwaza mkhonto. Kwaza mkhonto. Sanibonani igama lami mina nguThando wakamdakane update of shows like Lengashone mdlalo isiculo mdlalo uskandali. Sawubona.
And then in Pete provincial leaders DJ Opsheks no Zandile Nkomo Nanyangale siphuma sonke naye kwi-youth league Pete no DJ Opsheks nolwazi naye organizer wethu so ngicela bandla sibe kind kuma-artist or especially if ningabi nale expectation ukuthi nizobabona behamba ngey'moto zabo nokusho and then you don't see niba rude or niyabajaja. They are human beings at the end of the day and if they love umkhonto that means they are one of us.
Yabonga i-PCC no iqiniso lelo Maqabane i-government yethu azange ibe kind to i-creative
PCC khula PCC khula waza mkhonto kwaza leadership yazi masesithi kwaza sesiyasaba ngathi lo muntu ophethe lo mkhonto asazi likhanda lisile akasakwazi uyavithiza siyabonga ukuthi sibe yi-part of this progressive program the door to door deputy nobani ke wathi sizasikamdala. This is the place once we defeat ANC la ANC is no more. I'm not alone ngapha ne-leadership ye-region eceleni kwami udeputy usihlalo abanye balevu khona basakulungisa. We are here to make sure ukuthi one person one vote emkhontweni, one person one vote emkhontweni. Izwe selibuyile noma bangatshontsha amavoti kodwa sazobuya futhi. Engithanda ukusho today ukuthi there's no other place ngaphandle komkhonto. Siyabonga sihlalo.
Maqabane especially izandla nje because already besesiqalile Maqabane ne sizo acknowledge umkhonto wesizwe party people living with disability sizocela uCabane la asibulisele nina as introduce uyakhula umkhonto uyakhula
Mayibuye commanders ezile nto liphita big desk we said ukuthi okay masize ngoba singaphelelanga lana I decided to no let me just be here to show ukuthi as people with special needs I don't like using disability because disability meaning when they are oppressing me that is us because I can walk, I can march, I can do anything, I can ngiyakwazi ukushaya kwethu so ngizohlolwa yini ukushaya kwethu if I'm not I don't have I have a special need. So commander says please desk we say asibumbaneni singakhohlwa because most of the time when we analyzing we siyakhohlwa isikhathi esiningi siyakhohlwa nathi sikhona commanders siyaphila we have blood like you we are living siyaphefumula so if you start learning us what do you think God will ucabangani emakhosini bogogo nobomkhulu yithi abantwana abadluba amadlusa abantu bangazi ukuthi siphumelele sidonseni nathi nizobona imehlo lapha phambili angeke sikufihle lokho ngoba abantu badala baphila bakhona obowakathamba obugalusha igazi labo lilakithi nathi siyakhona ukwenza ezinye izinto.
Comrade, thanks Mphathi Wehlelo. Thanks for the opportunity. In Labour Desk, comrade, if you understand that we are talking about a mass democratic movement, let's be accord. The MK as one MK will never fight this struggle and win it. We have identified the working class as still the most oppressed component of the struggle. We are saying as long as the backbone of the economy is oppressed, you will never get freedom and dignity will never be restored. Ngehamba no chairperson wami lana ngifuna nje abingelele bese siyaphuma.
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Amandla abasebenzi amandla. Njengoba seshile unobhala wami la. Sibuya ku National Labour Desk. Sibonga kakhulu sithi ayikho inkululeko ngaphandle kokuthi kube khona nenkululeko yezomnotho. Abafethu nodadewethu basebenzi bangabhadalwa asivumi loyito. I-office lethu likhona eGandhi Square. Kwaza msebenzi kwaza.
Amandla. Commanders, sicela sisondele Maqabane because of yonke into ezoyenziwa. Mandate soyithatha la.
I'm the sub-regional coordinator of the East. Commanders, morning. Commanders, part of this program is to introduce how a character of a member of Mkhonto weSizwe ought to behave in their own wards. So we are here to receive a mandate on what we ought to do in our wards towards the victory. I highlight the victory of the local elections in 2026. Halala, MK halala. Okay, commanders, here in Whiteville we've got 7 VDs. Each VD is going to be led by a VD coordinator alongside a military veteran. The reason for that is that, commanders, we ought to know how to do a proper voter contact door to door. So, commanders, here we are about to learn what ought to be done, in other words, moving forward towards our victory in the local elections of 2026. So, commanders, please, at all costs, high discipline. High discipline. And thank you very much to the regional judgment. Their first big program is done here in the East. This is what Artambo is mostly celebrated, commanders. This is the a stronghold of the other organization. And we are here to Mapubutu, we're going to take this fire by force. So, Nyandela commanders, VD coordinators will be introduced by the ward convener, and then each and every person as assigned. If maybe it's sub region, VDA1. For instance, Solomon, Tingi outline. Solomon is Ohama southeast. And then Isaac is Ohamba, the far east. North is Ohamba, the VD daycare center. Central is Ohamba, the VD Swedish. And then peace and stability together with other volunteers via a youth center. That was introduced allow my VD coordinator. And then Erikwana.
esquatter, which is a VD. Ngicela i-East ama-volunteers akhona wala e-East aye khona eHerikwana squatter camp. So iparish ngicela ukuthi abanye abakhona commanders, I know ukuthi there are a lot of structures. Ngicela ukuthi i-Youth League nayo i-student movement together with some of the members of Women's League ngicela ukuthi iye kuphi e-parish. So I think I've outlined all the 7 VDs, commanders. Commanders, morning. Morning. So ngicela ukuthi abantu be-military veteran ba-assign 7 people who will be going alongside VD coordinator so that they lead this. Ngicela ama-commanders masiyongena la emzini, we know they're going to be provocative agents. Ngicela ukuthi we maintain high discipline and high order. La e-ward 30 yiward enomthetho, yiward omdala u-OAMTAM. So ngiyacela kakhulu commanders ukuthi we are here to learn so that when we pilot this program in other sub-regions, in other wards, sesicedile sesuthathile umshini. Amandla awethu.
I'm greeting all of you, comrades from National High Command until VD, all structures of MK. In our VD coordinator that will be heading door-to-door. Job essentially, comrade coordinator where sub is raging. You know, coordinator with VD Ubane that will be heading Isaac, VD Isaac. You know, comrade Unomkosi also be header daycare center. You know, comrade Umkonza also be Herikwa, VD Herikwa. You know, comrade Mtutuzi Zulu also be header Swedish. You know, comrade Unomama that will be heading youth center. You know, comrade Utemba Nange Mova Ngama secretaries in Uyazi also be header parish, comrade. So our trainings of Tera comrade. Adela Pendabugo, PCC, Abefundis. So tell you now split into 7 or group. Bagwas which accommodate the Ogama group. Amanda!
Amanda! Bestela leadership in Yama sub-region, Abanachi Lana, Basondele Laituzana. Fire East, Central, North, South, okay, thank you. So Bestela Fire East, South, North, Central, leadership yakona just the 2 yabo bazela phambili. Abakhona matawani sifuna ukuthi sikhona ukubonana so khona ukuthi nisipeshe kula ma team lawo. Sicela nisondele ngapha. Matawani I'm told ukuthi kunama members we parliament abanye aqede kufika. Angakababoni kodwa siyabamukela ubaba izolo umsholozi the honorable commander general uthe singakhohlwa batshele ukuthi parliament abenze ukubonakalayo. Comrade ne awe ukuthi ilona le VAT increase i-collapse i-MK party. And to be particular, I'm sorry ukuthi ngisingila out igama lomuntu. Comrade Blind Mlife lo natshelwa ngaye abantu batshelwa ngaye kabi. We will save the country from ukuthi sibe ne extra charges esingawazi ukuthi for what. Ama extra charges ayenza ukuthi abantu izizwe zabo zikhule kakhulu kundlula indlela lezi ezimoshakalayo. So i-MK party eparliament icollapsile lento leyo. They had to go kule proposal MK party bayenze yona. It's not like bebangayazi bayizwile but babonile ukuthi it's going to be difficult and kuzoba nzima. Had the MK also joined the court based on the proposal there. So Makawani, apikile ama leadership of sub-region. Okay. Okay Makawani, I'm sure niyabona manje sihlabela mkama. Sihlabela mkama. Ngicela ukwakunoleja ama members of parliament akhona izothi masiwa okay now ba comrade ama members ilona abo nomthandazo bakhona lana comrade konke no banisikhatha seko bese ngithi banikeza wona banisikhatha seko commanders ngicela nisondeleni ngale comrade siyasebenza manje ngicela nisondeleni la abantu abayi-5 la Swedish naye comrade Isaac VT coordinator phakamisisa VT coordinator
manje senza imani
VT coordinator separish abdaki Commander Masapelo Parish
since ufikile umkhonto wesizwe uphethe
wonke umuntu obuye Parish wena umlaphi wendabuko military veteran umfundisi youth league student movement ngapha Parish ihamba nesouth
bawushilo bakunqamalala wathi manje umuntu emthuni manje siye bantu
cela abayi-5 bajoyine la cela abantu abayi-5 ngapha ama-comrade abayi-5 bajoyine la
abahlangabezana nazo
bacabani cela nisondeleni
bese
cela abantu bajoyine abantu bakubhekile olikhona le niyaziyo nifuna nonke okay sebakhona shapa
amalungu eparliament ukuthi sizozwa right from the ground yiloko nje esikuzele nothing else but ukuzokhuthaza abantu ukuzobatshela ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ubaphatheleni amandla
Solomon VT zojoyina ngapha Solomon
namhlanje uhambo lethu akusuke ucelebrate Independence Day because there is nothing to be celebrated.
All right, Makawan. Asimameleni.
Silungile lokuvota. Ngaphandle kwalokho
engineer, sound engineer. Comrade, Mamelani. Mina ngizothi 1 2 3 ninalithi Nakayana ne 1 2 3 Nyamazan Commander Arafat lapho kise wakho besicela simameleleni comrade
abantu ukuthi
1 2 3
inkululeko sizwe
1 2 3
uma every
siyabonga mamelani ke macabane asibheke namasu wethu isikhathi sethu sikhathani manje
for the black child in South Africa.
Okay, so to one more, maybe by the time Spuma na one from Mars you go one, comrade. Siyahamba soyizitho to door. So we are now.
Silele izwe lethu
silele
sibuye sicela ukuthi umhlaba wethu ubuye
1 hour 30 minutes
wethu ngendlela esiqhubekela ngawo sitha izwe lethu
siyazwana lapha emuva commanders
abanikazi bomhlaba
1 hour 30 minutes 1 o'clock to
ngempilo
besesila 2:30
silwele imfundo
besesila amatende khona will just guide you after lapho ukuthi siyenza kanjani all those things. The peace and stability will always remain izokhathi amatende wethu abanye bazohamba nathi I don't know ukuthi bazosherana kanjani peace and stability yini enaziyo ukuthi nizosherana kanjani amagazi bazosala masibuya la macabane sizongena kumagazibo siyalithatha lelizwe siyalithatha lelizwe siyalithatha ukhathele ukuhlupheka umuntu omnyama ukhathele ukumanejwa amabhulu umuntu omnyama ukhathele lebafethu amastadium awona abantu abelungu ayikho into etshintshile ningazikhohlisi so macabane
Bakhona elinye labo kuthiwa lakhona khona isangoma oyisangoma kunabadala. I think ngiyamstate ngayestate la ku traditional NEA. Ngiyastate kusayidini ukuthi lana kukhona umuntu ongogo. Ngiyamthika bayabafunda la. Kusebenza ngabantu. Yes, bafuna ukusebenza ngabantu lethu. You think on the side.
Kunama-members wethu eParliament aqeda ukufika ne. Sicela uComrade Thulu uphi? Akwazi ukuhamba.
Door to door.
Oh, door to door.
Yeah.
Yes, singala ngapha kule street lesi sesonto and then iya ngapha. Ingene ngapha. So nakhona bayahlala bafika. Baqala. Yeah, iqala ngapha. Iyele. Abangena ngapha nabo bayohamba so bayohlukana emashop nalabo bayoyiqala ngale emashop bazana right kuphela until stop sign bese singwa sokuqala sethu SS2 sizojika ngaso siyojoina laba abanye ne Today is the part of the 7
umhlaba wethu ngoba without umhlaba yikho into esizoyenza. Uhambe emhlabeni, utshale emhlabeni, konke ukwenzayo kusemhlabeni. Umuntu omnyama akupheke yonke indawo. Kumele sijabule ise-Afrika sijabulele wethu abale e-Latin America, abale balandela we are sending that message to say we need to combine efforts together. So, say this is the beginning. We are planning for 2026. Some Chama election campaign or 2026. But they also indicated to 2029. Definitely sure we are moving forward. I think the struggle continues. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. We are going there. The Viva President Zuma and that's what we are busy with. Motorcade and the mobilization. We are doing visibility as we are busy with Ngiyabonga ekuruleni iphethe asishaleni izandla makabani asishaleni izandla makabani sesiya emaphethelweni manje ne but ngizothi quickly kune chief of staff from office ka president uComrade Thulani ukhona lana sine brand new from the box deputy chief whip of umkhonto wesizwe party eparlament naye ukhona bazosondela kancane lana bazobulisa macabani ibulise ngoba sesemaphethelweni socela nje i1 minute comrades leaders and amafomu macabani ne uComrade Thulu ukuphi ama-VD coordinators ningakhohlwa amafomu and then the leadership yala ngicela sisaleni mase kuhanjwa so ngizocela uMaster province ithi kusibulisa macabani siyabonga
Gwaza mkhonto gwaza jikijela mkhonto jikijela phakama mama phakama mbogoto phakama forward with Women's League forward with Ekurhuleni regional leadership forward with abalaphi bendabuko forward ne-MKIRM forward ne-Youth League forward ne-Student Movement forward ne-National High Command forward ngaba-supporters and members of the MK party forward. Sanibonani commanders morning. Says Mama, because we are here to support this program. And support the program here, we know that as we are doing the door-to-door, the mandate here is to make sure that we get the 2/3 majority, nothing else. We will get it because our mama by majority. So we'll definitely make that 2/3 majority because most of abandoned. Unity, mama, unity. Unity, Zimbabwe, unity. Amanda.
Siyabonga. Okay, macabani isikhathi sihambile ne. Angithi ngiyakhumbula ngintshela ukuthi kule brand new deputy chief whip.
One mission, one command, one mission. Thank you very much, Comrade Sikama. Given a responsibility as a deputy of the party in the National Assembly to occupy the position of the deputy chief whip. But here I'm with members of the National Assembly. I'm with comrades. Because we are only honorable when we are in parliament, but when we're not in parliament, we are comrades.
Yes,
I'm with Comrade Thulani Shongwe, who sits in the Portfolio Committee of Education and Police. So in those areas, the crime, as they call now, your go-to person.
Amandla, away. All power. Comrades, ngiyanibulisa nonke. My name is Thulani Shongwe from Victoria. Muntu ala Ekurhuleni. I'd like to correct something Castro Sangakaqo. I'm a former chief of staff in the office of the President Zuma. And I'm a former deputy secretary
not current. Ngoba ngizwe uComrade Castro uthi I'm currently chief of staff. Current. Currently I'm serving with Committee of Police in the National Assembly and Basic Education and Communication. Amanda.
No, thank you very much, comrades. We have Comrade Miriam Bibi, Home Affairs, Amapasi, a marriage certificate, Alaba Shutting on Kunyati. We have Colin Makuela, also sits in international relations and communications. we must decolonize the media industry through her. We must bring it back ANN7 and bring back PT. Also have
Pagama Ekuruleni Pagama. Pagama North Sub-Region Pagama. Pagama South Sub-Region Pagama. Pagama East Sub-Region Pagama. Pagama Far East Sub-Region Pagama. Pagama Central Sub-Region Pagama. Yabonga. Akangintroduce kahle ne. Uzwile ne? Yeah. Comrade Kusheshe. I'm your former provision organizer. Before Ngiba Le, I'm a child of Ekuruleni, and I'm happy to be here today with you, commanders. I'm happy to be with Abo Mama. It's a year of elections. A year of elections. Yes. Let's go to the branches.
Let's do the province. And the other structures, the regions, zones, and sub. Yeah. But what most importantly, we want to acknowledge the presence of a volunteer, which is us. We are volunteers of the party, regardless of the titles that we may have when we sit in Parliament. We are not different from you. That's why every time because when you are deployed by the president to occupy a particular position, that should not create arrogance on us. We must always remember that we are all comrades deployed in different spaces to serve the agenda of Umkondo Wesizwe. So, this is to challenge the current economic and political status quo of capital. The ANC continues to be the representative of whiteness and white supremacy and white privilege. We must make sure that Umkondo rewrites the history of the country and Umkondo becomes the government that will give full freedom of the country. So sibonge kakhulu ngespace esinike sona nokuthi sihloniphane sisebenzisane kahle. The president has given us marching orders. Let's maintain the highest of discipline and prove it to him that we are capable to deliver the victory that is deserved by abantu in 2029. One command, one mission. The mission is to win elections in 2026 and win elections in 2029. Thank you very much, Chair.
Two-thirds majority. Victory. Victory. Two-thirds majority. Victory. Siyabonga masikhulisa uCommander Fidel Castro makayale eHavana ayothatha umbuso. He was determined ukuthi victory.
We mandated amaphoyisa to come, especially Commissioner, the highest ranking officer emaphoyiseni, to tell us ukuthi amaphoyisa enzani nge-DNA etholakele emntwaneni. What they did, they told us ukuthi umntwana i-DNA ekuye ayikho a foreign DNA emzimbeni wakhe. So if you can check lapha, I asked the question ukuthi it can't be ukuthi umntwana angabe ne-foreign DNA. Impahla zayilo umama. Uthinto umshayeli uthinto ezinye ingane zesikole agibele nazo transport. So it can't be ukuthi lela DNA i-empty akathintwa ngawumuntu. Kukhona into wrong. Uminister yesterday uphume indabeni ebhalile kuphela uthumela incwadi ku-principal. Wathi uyaxolisa ku-principal indlela ephethwe ngayo. Now our minister is lost engqondweni because if uprincipal law womlungu ubevumile ukunikezela nge-DNA yakhe ngesikhathi esifanele bekungeke kube nje. So yini yenza ukuthi anqabe nge-DNA? Then ke kuvela sekuvela i-AFRIFORUM elwela lo mlungu. So sithola i-ANC ne-GNU zilwela umlungu azilwela umuntu omnyama. okuvele manje uprincipal uthreatenishe umama wengane. Yingakho umama wengane engahlali emzini wakhe la hlala khona. So sibize futhi, since I sit in the committee of basic education, sibize provincial yalaphaya through the lawyers anjengabo advocate uCastro. Sithola usizo lama lawyers asisiza mahala ukuthi ke sikwazi ukuthi i-provincial Department of Education isichazisela ukuthi lo principal njengoba isikolo besivaliwe sekuyini ethi manje basivule futhi isikolo. Lama reason okuvala isikolo bewakhona. Ukuthi bavule isikolo yimapha ama reason sifuna ukwazi lokho. So kuningi but ngicela ukuthi nisize laba kithi. Izikolo zonke zala eKuruleni ziface the very same situation. Kuno comrade uLerato la base Davidson. What they've done bahamba no comrade uShady Brown honorable. They've taken ama members omkhonto baya ezikolweni week in week out. They assist ukuthi izikolo isecurity ngabe iyashota ngethi. So they assist ukuthi
sayithatha iward 24 sayithatha. Wafika enza door to door no comrade desk bathola umama ohamba ngesirinja engaka angasakhona nokuya ngaphandle kwegate ngoba udonsa le tank. Babona ukuthi umkhonto ubabuthe uzosebenzela abantu uzokhulula umuntu omnyama. Sikhuluma nje izolo ebehambile eseSouthgate neoxygen yakhe njengalabo gogo babelungu ohlangana nabo bekhanga ama. Thank you so much comrade Mushek. My comrades, iKuruleni eGauteng is excelling. Yakusibonisa ngo-29 May and siyathemba ukuthi namanje njengoba siya kuma elections iKuruleni sesithathile and imeya izophuma khona la and imeya ezoba kule ndawo ayizuphuma eofisini le-provincial detachment izokhethwa umphakathi. Namakhansela azophuma khona la. Mina okwami ngisabekiwe esikhundleni is just to endorse and sign the documents ze-governance. So my comrades, lokho enikuqalile namhlanje comrade Mchacho, comrade Sosko, comrade Mlaba, comrade Sankara, Imbokodo, comrade Fikela, ngiyanicela niqhubeke ngakho. Bengisakhuluma naye uconvener wale region ukuthi siyabuya the second week kaMay sizonibuyisela ubaba. Ubaba has given us a line of march ukuthi ufuna ukuthi senze ama program sibuyele ebantwini. Already makahlezi laphaya I updated my POA ukuthi the next stop President General Commander President Zuma, your next stop is eKuruleni. Siphilele Msholozi, siphilele.
Mama, Matabane, before comrade Sosko as guideline, I think when the is important. I'm just reminded there's who convener with Prophet Roma.
Based on the regional leadership and all leaders that are here, with the task that I've been given, which is very simple. We are responsible on daily basis as Umkhonto weSizwe to ensure that no child-headed family sleeps in a dam. That is our task and mission. That's one of the things that we should do. We should be able to identify service delivery issues that are there. I think the street sheet that we're given, it tells you about categories. Zezinto esifuna ukuthi nisibheke once nihlala la ekuhlaleni. So each and every sub-region and branch of Umkhonto weSizwe must ensure that our people are serviced. We are government in waiting here. Yeah. Here we are government in waiting. They might take time to announce the elections, but we are ready at any time. Nothing that should happen in those council chambers that Umkhonto weSizwe does not know. Members of Umkhonto weSizwe at every street level, up until to the area, you must know what are the service delivery issues. When you see a pothole, it is you who must identify it and ensure what it is. That's how we portray ourselves to our people, that we are here to service them. And we put pressure to those who are waiting in the chambers. Remember, the power by pen, we're going to snatch it at any time, given time. Umkhonto wesizwe is here to serve our own people. Umkhonto wesizwe is going to ensure that our people are serviced. We should not be like other organizations where we go to our people and make door-to-door ngesikhathi summer election. This program, when we thought about it, we were saying that it should be an ongoing program. And as a regional detachment, we are going to ensure that every month we identify a sub-region, we are going there and launch such kind of our program. And we are very happy that our structures have received this well. And we are also saying to all of you, buyelani emasebeni, buyelani kuma sub-region.
Amandla, kwaza mkonto kwa. Titsipela msholozi titsipela. Sipilele msholozi sipilele. Siyayithatha ekuruleni siyayithatha. Siyayithatha ekuruleni siyayithatha. Amandla. Sanibonani comrade. Hayi. Okwami kuncane ukubonga isikhathi senu sonke ukuthi nize nifike la for the whole day and take note ukuthi the past 3 days besendleleni ilong weekend yethu asidlanga besigijima emva kababa so namhlanje sathi asibuyeni la ekhaya. Cela ukubonga i-organization team ebe organizer this event. We have done very well, comrades, and kumele niyishaye izandla. Ngibonge isupport ye-provincial detachment ngokusupporta ngokusinikeza yonke into ebesiyidinga noma bokunesikhathi esincane ngoba bebane program on Saturday baba i-program again on Sunday, so ama-resources amaningi bese wahambile. So sicela nisibongele nje i-provincial detachment ukuthi sibonga kakhulu. And we promise you ukuthi we are going to deliver in Uruleng come the day bathi siyavota. We, the ground force of Umkhonto, are going to make sure that we deliver ekuruleni to Gauteng. So la ekuruleni laba abaphethe manje bayagcina bayaphuma kuyongena Umkhonto lapha eThemba, and yithi siyoyenza kanjalo makhombo. And siyongena angeke siyongena sibakhiphe sifake abantu bomkhonto kube yibo abazorepresenta comrade. Ilento izoyenziwa yithi comrade. Comrade ngicela ukubonga again uComrade uPhuka, our former convener. Angazi ukhona la baribeka khona. Ngicela ukumbonga ukhona Comrade uPhuka, ngicela ukubonga to give support in every time we are needed to kumkhonto. Comrade uhlale kuyo yonke indawo yomkhonto, indawo ekhuluma ngomuntu omnyama. Sibonge comrade la kamagodulela ukuthi basinikeze indlu yabo senze konke ngendlela esifuna ngayo ngathi kwethu. Mara ngithi umkhonto uyasho ukuthi kungadliwa next door kungaziwa. So naye basibolekile indlu sibokwe yethu today. We as the detachment comrade, we promise you that we are going to bring ekuruleng down. So we are going corner to corner, street to street, house to house, church to church. Sifuna abantu sibatshele ukuthi nawo umkhonto uzolida comrade. Ndumba tuduma. Kunenye indawo kumele siyoyingena ma comrade. Eyama Rastafarian. Asa Swanagi akhona wona mara Swanagi. kumele siyobangena ngithi bayangena kwi-interfaith so kumele siyobangena abarastafari nawo afake ithende lawo lapha
umuntu alele into ayithandayo hayi into angayithandi manje mandibona sesidlale impahla la ni-community yala Ward 29 Ward 30 Ward 31 can come amaqabani imani sifuna i-community lizawukhetha i-community maseyikhethe yale buhadekile
basho le weekend esibuya kuyo we went saba nomgidi wethu lapha saba lapha bendabuko lapha eSoweto wow samgele more than 300 members yabelaphi bendabuko uyazi why abelaphi bendabuko beza komkhonto wesizwe they are tired ukuthi ama-rights wethu sabantu laphi bendabuko akekho umuntu osinakekelayo siney'ndumba ogogo nakomkhulu ekumele siyocela ama-petition ngazo sibe nabo so umkhonto wesizwe
Thank you.